parked my jet streamliner outside temporarily at the moment, as I needed the garage to work on this vehicle here belonging to Trevor, who wants alloy panelling underneath and up the sides. Welcome to the madhouse. That's my folding machine dismantled at the moment. LOL. You'll see what I mean shortly as I do some further work. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. We all have our cross to bear. This is mine. Oh, this is purely physical, this. Purely physical. Who needs a gymnasium when you got this going on? You can see now what I've been trying to achieve. That folded side. I already did one yesterday. The problem was getting this assembly back with that already folded. Now you can see the bending machine. You know, it's glory, I'm out of breath. I'm not doing too bad for 81 in September. Got through cancer and a heart attack, so I don't think that would fit in a bending machine of any description. There was this vertical strut that I fitted in. That's my tube bender, by the way. Anchored to that box section across the top there, which I use for getting my jet engine in and out. And to stop this assembly moving backwards as I was clobbering it, I fitted a strut between the planks there on the wall under my old drag bike, and another one there. It took some working out this in here to achieve this. I don't think most people would take it on, apart from straightening the front nose cone on his front fairing, which I made some years ago, but which has been battered several times. So I've already done that job, that's ready to go back on, but I've got to make this fit. It's got to slide through from the front and lift up into place. We'll see. Can you tell what it is yet? Be able to see it better when I get the planks moved. They're the planks I use to load my Hayabusa into my van. I used to lift it in before, physically, with another helper. That's probably why I've got a double hernia. It's taken me 2 afternoons to do those 2 folds. Papers there with other bits of corrugated cardboard to keep the marks in the metal down to a minimum. I spent an afternoon designing it and making a cardboard template, which is there. I had to order some special metal, metal I use for making fuel tanks, because I had some other stuff in here that was in stock for my use, but I couldn't bend it, it was too stiff. So I got some specially delivered a few days ago. So we've got to try this, see if it fits in. I should be doing that tomorrow. I'm having a well-earned break now. This is Saturday, heading towards tea time. Whoopee, this temporary initial first fit, and it seems to fit very well. I've had to put some blocks under the front wheels just to get enough ground clearance to slide it in from the front. And once it's trimmed along these edges to the correct height and curved over, it should slide underneath with the vehicle on the ground in its normal position. So we're getting there. Bit of an awkward bloody thing to get on here. especially with this garage. It's a tip at the moment. Dark out there now, heading towards 9 o'clock Sunday evening. It's about time I went in and had a brew. Luckily, no other after either me. I've got some blocks under the front wheels, but I think it should go in with the vehicle on the ground. Just a bit fiddly. Got to spring it a little bit to get it up there. Got to watch some of these wires and fingers. It started out as this cardboard template, and it went to that, and ended up looking like this. That's not too bad. Version that I made some years ago was being repaired. It was dented at the front. I've only put it on loosely because it's coming shortly to collect it, so I can put it in the van with the fairing off.